If you think potatoes are boring, this video is about to ruin that belief forever. What you're about to watch isn't just a recipe, it's a transformation. From simple ingredients to something that looks like it belongs in a restaurant window. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll want to make this tonight. The first thing I did was pick up a potato and cut it in half. Nothing dramatic, no music swelling, just a simple moment that felt like the opening scene of something important. Then I took my spoon and hollowed the center of each half, creating space for everything that was about to happen. Because cooking, just like life, needs space before it becomes meaningful. I dropped them into hot oil. That sound, that quiet, aggressive sizzle. Both sides went in, and I let them fry until the edges started turning golden. Confident, alive, not rushed, not forced. Just patient heat doing what patient heat does best, changing things. While those were working, I moved to the chicken breast. Chopped it into small pieces, nothing perfect, nothing fancy. Just honest cuts. Into a pan with oil, and the moment it hit the surface, the kitchen woke up. That smell? That's when the recipe becomes real. I sliced green onions into thin circles and added them to the chicken, letting them soften and melt into the meat. This is the waiting part, the quiet tension, the moment where you stop controlling and start trusting. It's when most people check their phones. I just stood there. Then came the red bell pepper, finely chopped, bright, bold, fearless. It joined the pan, and suddenly the colors started telling a story. What would you add to this recipe? More spice? Different cheese? Extra vegetables? Tell me in the comments. I read them all. I slice the mushrooms next, into the pan. Let them release their water, their secrets. I seasoned everything with salt, black pepper, and paprika. The aroma shifted. Deeper now, warmer, more dangerous. Then I grated one carrot and added it in, not because the recipe demanded it, but because I wanted it. Cooking isn't just instructions, it's intention. Two tomatoes went in next, finely chopped. And the whole pan started breathing, bubbling, simmering, coming together. If this video made you hungry, curious, or just a little bit happier, subscribe. Because this kitchen is just getting started. See you in the next one. By now the potatoes were golden and ready. I took them out and filled each one with that rich, colorful mixture. And then, the cheese, mozzarella, a generous amount. The kind of amount that doesn't ask for permission. Into the oven they went, 180 degrees, 20 minutes. I took them out and sprinkled fresh chopped parsley on top. Just a little. When the timer rang, I opened the oven and the world changed. The cheese had melted into golden rivers. The potatoes were firm on the outside, soft inside. Everything looked like it had found its place. Like the final sentence of a great story. And there it was, done.